It was my thought process that was trying to figure out what is it that she would be upset about. The moment I walked in, she was sitting there in one corner. I was not prepared that I'm going to be meeting a girl for marriage. I think our eyes met 30 seconds and I knew, okay, fine, this is it.
All right, it's IFA 2025 and IFA of course has turned 25. So Neil, we know what IFA 25 is like. What was Neil at 25 like?
Well, I made my debut in Johnny Gaddar at 25, so you all know a lot of what Neil was at 25. Yeah.
What would you like to add? What was your life like when you were 25?
So at 25, I hadn't met him, but I met him like a year later. At 25, I was single, I was working. I mean, it was a very different life.
Okay, so 26 is when you met Neil.
Yes.
And that's when the life changed for both of you.
Right.
What was the first meeting like, Neil?
First meeting was during Ganesh Utsav at my home.
Okay.
And the moment I walked in, she was sitting there in one corner. I was not prepared that I'm going to be meeting a girl for marriage. Ours was an arranged marriage.
Yeah.
And both the sides of parents had orchestrated this beautifully during Ganesh Utsav at home.
Wow.
And I think our eyes met 30 seconds and I knew, okay, fine, this is it. We spoke for about half an hour, and 3 months later, not even 3 months later, 15 days later we were engaged.
Wow.
And 3 months later we were married.
So this is ये तो एक 3 घंटे की मूवी की तरह चल रहा है. It was so filmy.
Yeah, it was.
You were not really wasting your time. You just went to the climax.
When you know something's right, you don't waste time for it, right?
Right. And how's life been, with this companionship? I mean, it's beautiful. The journey, I'm sure, has been beautiful, incredible. But how would you rate him on the scale of 10 as a husband?
He is, I would say, a good 9.5.
Oh,
Yeah.
0.5 की कमी है.
that
वो भी
will always
मैं
be there.
पूरी कर दूंगा. मैं पूरी कर
तो
दूंगा.
अच्छा अगर दोनों में कभी वो हो जाए, मतलब चलो लड़ाई
That
हो जाए.
0.5 will always be there.
But for me, she's a 10 on 10.
How nice.
Genuinely, I'm not saying it. I think I've yet to come across, a young lady like her who has so much of, life to offer
Right.
and so many things that she can do. But
Right.
such a brilliant daughter-in-law to begin with, such a brilliant mother, such a brilliant wife. I think she dons these hats so beautifully and so effortlessly has blended into, all these responsibilities. I think
Right.
I only respect and love her even more for
And
that.
the eyes are turning moist. I mean, ये emotional speech कभी आपने पहले नहीं सुनी?
नहीं, ये सुनती रहती हैं. ये सुनती
He's
रहती
very
हैं.
expressive. He keeps saying.
अच्छा चलो 9.5 as husband, huh? On the scale of 10 as father,
His father, he's a 10 on 10.
he's 10 on
Yes.
10. All right, on in terms of looks,
He's an 11.
he's 11.
Aw.
And Neil, there was a recent, recent reports about Katrina being slightly miffed, but that was all because of your looks.
Oh, no,
Let's quickly have that.
That was just miscontoured. I said it like a joke, and I said that maybe
Ah.
that I was. It was my thought process that was trying to figure out what is it that she would be upset about.
Right.
But would it be my looks, as in my fair skin?
Yes.
Because normally I used to get that a lot. कि यार 2-3 शेड अपना टैन करके आ जा. थोड़ा धूप पे बैठ टैन हो जाएगा. तो वो बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिलता था पहले.
Yeah.
बट तो मैं सोचे जा रहा था, बट मैंने कह दिया और ये कहीं से कहीं और कुछ और पहुंच गई बात.
But how is it, like Johnny Gaddar at 25 and then, such incredible films, that you've been part of. New York again,
Right.
sort of really blew us over. Look at the performance that
New
you
York
gave.
was a
Yes.
great film.
It
Lafange
was a great
Parinde.
film. Yes, but
So I've been privileged to have worked with some really fine directors, some really strong filmmakers, many multiple national award winning filmmakers. I've done about, the upwards of 25-30 films already.
Yes.
And both South and Hindi. Just a great learning experience.
Yeah.
I've learned a lot from my co-actors, my filmmakers, my writers, my producers. So I think the journey has, for me, literally probably just begun. You know, I mean, sometimes we boast about, you know, अरे मैंने इतना काम किया है, मैं तो ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, ये, और आज मुझे डर लगता है, बस मैंने इतनी ही फिल्में की हैं, बस इन्हीं के साथ काम किया है, मेरा तो लिस्ट बहुत लंबा है, मेरी जर्नी तो अब शुरू हुई है।
अभी शुरू हुई है, right. And another incident again making headlines. You saying "shut up" to Shah Rukh Khan. Look where these stories are coming from.
You're a controversial queen. I can
No,
see
not
that.
controversial.
She's digging out in the past.
But anything you would like to say? Again,
no,
it is
nothing.
No?
It was, of course, you know, there's nothing but love for Khan Saab. He's such a gentleman. He's such a lovely human being.
Right.
And every time that we've had the opportunity of meeting him, there's nothing but respect and love for him.
Right.
He's such a magnanimous star. But my respect doesn't come for him only from the fact that he's such a big star. But he's in fact a very, very nice, humble human being as well.
Right.
And you know, the entire Mukesh family is a very, very big fan of his. Of course, you know, some things are said in some kind of you know, gist, and it's kind of blown out of proportion.
Yes.
Neither can he and neither can I constantly. It's been, I don't know how many years. You know, I don't see
know,
him
it's like
justifying for it, and
yeah.
I'm tired doing it myself
True.
and explaining,
Right.
you know, on every curve of what
Yes.
it was. But every time there's an award function, you know, we go viral.
Yes.
But so I
see that happen here as well.
I mean, not yeah, no, but the fact remains is that you know, he's you know, the Mukesh family guys are taught, as in
Right.
that's हमारी परवरिश ऐसी है कि हम अपने
True.
बड़ों की इज्जत करें,
True.
और कभी भी मैं लाइफ में शायद ही ये सोच पाऊँ कि मैं किसी अपने बड़े की बेइज्जती जानबूझ के करूँ, तो वो तो है बिल्कुल ही नहीं, वो तो हमारी परवरिश में है ही नहीं. But nonetheless, my love and regards for Khan Saab is always very high, will always be there.
True.
And he's a great man.
And last question, अब आगे क्या, मतलब next series फटाफट, next project, next movie.
So मैंने अभी हाल ही में एक फिल्म मेरी आई है हिसाब बराबर, जो Z5 पे है. माधवन जी, कीर्ति कुलारी, मैं बहुत अच्छे से लोगों ने बहुत सराहा है, बहुत प्यार, बहुत इज्जत मिली है. अब अगले महीने एक मेरी वेब शो आ रही है, जो मैं बहुत बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ उसके लिए. मेरा पहला कदम OTT के दुनिया में है, और जून जुलाई में एक बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म वापस आ रही है.
Oh, yes.
जो मैंने अभी हाल ही में नहीं री रिलीज नहीं है, एक नई फिल्म मैंने अभी कंप्लीट की है. It's a comic thriller, caper thriller, and very satirish execution, again with one of you know, very high profile directors, again a national award winning director. I'm looking forward. Very good brands associated with the film.
Right.
So looking forward and hoping that the audience enjoys that.
तो आप ना काला टीका लगाई दीजिए कि कहीं और नजर ना लग जाए.
काला टीका, ठीक है.
हाँ,
लगाना
because
है.
you're already wearing black. Oh yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for
Thank you.
joining us here.
Thanks.
Thank you.